Okay, we're recording, right? Let's have a look here. Okay, almost done, yeah. Oh, I think I missed a pin here. Just check. Yeah, I think I have. We're going to take this pin out before we get the full view of what I've done, yeah. Right. So there we go. Okay, I'm missing some hooks there. I've got hooks at the house. I'll have to come back another day, but not today. But there you can see. Yeah, so okay. So it's going to be, it'll look fine when it's finished. Oh, there's a sticker on there. I must take the sticker off. I didn't buy the sticker, but the sticker came free. So let me just take it off here. I can see it through there. Okay, 277. There's the cellar. It's not too bad. You can have a look. Right. Here we go. Here we go. Looking good. Wait. Saying another pin here. Got to take out. Yep. There we go. Okay, so that's all hanging, looking good. Yeah, just one or two things there. That's busy. So that's fully curtained. Apart from the one or two things there, they're going to finish. So it looks, I don't know why the right side looks dark. Weird. I think it's because where the sun is going. I don't know. But that one's also done. See, looking good. Yeah. Apart from the junk that's all in here, then I've got to sort out. Let me have a look from outside and see how it looks. So we can get a outside view.
Oh, are we going outside?
No, I'm going to film it from outside. Oh, okay, yeah, we've definitely got to fix that. But when it's fixed, it's going to look fine. It's going to look perfect. It's going to look awesome. Yeah, okay, because that was dark, so I just got to correct this. But I'll do this when I come back and when I hook up everything here. So it'll be fine. And there's a view of the from this side. That's what I bought on auction, so it's fine. Everything looks good. Yeah, just got to get that sorted out. Unfortunately, not today, so we're just gonna leave it like that. Otherwise, it's looking not too bad. I think these curtains are different. They've got different backings, eh? I don't know why, but they look the same from the other side. I wonder why that is. That's weird. Anyway, I bought them, but they're both the same. It's crazy. Anyway, so we can hang up, we can close these curtains and we can get out of here before the people get home and start moaning. Oh, close this, close that. Now all the junk can stay hidden away. It's pretty embarrassing, but you people can watch it on YouTube. I don't have to answer to this. But you can see, I'm eventually going to get rid of this. It's going to be sold. Yeah, there's a board that I bought. Oh gosh, storage things. I need to sell those. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh wait, we've got to take my toaster. I've got a head toaster. I'm gonna sell that toaster. TSK 0004, $1,200. If you see that on the video, you can ask me if it's still available, and I'll let you know. It's brand new, hey? 4 slices. This is 4 slice toaster. But to give you an idea of what value I've got here, I need to get this because I sold my second-hand one. And yeah, here's the brand new one. And we've got to take it all the way back to John Clare. Back to my other house. Right. This thing is brand spanking new. So everybody thought that there was a lot of trash here. You can eat your words. Anyway, this is going to go back to me now. It's going to go back to my place. Oh gosh, I don't know what the video is looking like now, but yeah, let's go. We just have to shut the door behind us. I think this is one of the most expensive things that's here. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Goodbye. There's the lake.
It's beautiful.
Other people living. Oh, the junk. Let me show you. Oh, I don't even know. I don't want to go show you people the junk, so I'll just show you the video of the lake. And I'm going to tell you if the junk is still there. The junk is still there. Looks like rubbish. Looks like junk. Anyway. That's another story that I need to get sorted out. You know what? Let me just show you. Let me not keep the suspense any longer. We pay a guy. There's a cat. Hello, cat. Yeah. So this is supposed to be cleaned up. I don't know why it's not. I don't know. There's the cat. Obviously, maybe it's a cat's playground. Cat's now looking at me, inquisitive. Like, what's going on? What's this guy doing? Okay, cat. I'm going to leave you alone because I see you getting nervous now. Alright. Yeah, so there's the lake. There is the lake. Alright, so I'm going to turn the video off now because unless do you want to carry the video machine? The GoPro? I have to put my mask on because I'm very strict with the rules, yeah? You must put your mask on too, please.
Okay.
Okay, put it on.
We shall.
Thank you. Yeah, this is the view from the kitchen. No, from the outside to the kitchen. I'm going to sort this out, put some decent covers and everything. Let me show you the outside here. See? Those are the curtains I bought last week. So they're in. Whoa. There's that one of those that came out, but otherwise it's looking good. Okay. Try not to.
Beautiful view of the lake.
Oh, you show it. Yeah, it was pointed so the people could see.
Yes, at the dam. And this is Ian being an exhibitionist. He's a typical Leo. Loves the spotlight and the limelight. He's Leo the lion.
Huh?
Leo the lion.
Yes. There's the board that I put up.
I shall indeed show
Board.
that's Ian's handiwork
Board used to look.
because he likes to control everything. So he took charge of.
It's staying back. Get it. Yeah.
That definitely looks like a government department of sorts.
These old colonial buildings.
Oh.
Let's see, so where's the flat now?
Second
Oh, it's
level
Oh, okay.
with a curtain
Yeah, that looks
hanging
nice.
skew.
So the flat next door is for sale.
Yeah.
Another thing I bought.
Oh, did you buy
I bought this today at auction. There is a reason why I bought it. Oh my gosh. Where's the reason? There's one of the reasons. Okay. PlayStation 1. There's another PlayStation 1 here somewhere. PlayStation 1 game. Don't know what else is in here. But I paid $60. There's other movies in here. Blank discs. There is another PlayStation 2 game here. I need to go through all of this and see exactly what I bought. I think it's I don't know what that is. Is it in here? Robots. It's a DVD game. Okay. You know what? PlayStation 2. Pirates, The Legend of something. And there's the disc. Let's check the quality of the disc. If the disc's not good, I've got a polisher that's at the house. And the discs look freaking awesome. And it's got the book. Wow. See, this is why we go to auction sometimes. And you buy and you sell. So today I was doing both. Anyway, alright. Okay, I'm done enough talking here with the mask on because it's freaking making me breathe like I don't know what. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Upstairs has got nothing. Got a unit's empty here. The reason it's empty and not being rented out is Ian's fault.
No, but I wonder if that
Oh.
one is for sale, or
No.
the tenants run?
No, there's no. I don't know what's going on. All right. Do you want to carry on with
turning
your
it to-
interview?
Oh.
Or do you want to? Are you bored now?
Okay.
As the are you tongue tied?
No, not at all, sweetie, not at all.
Oh.
Yeah, not at all. So, are you satisfied with your choice of curtain? I think curtains are difficult to choose.
Well, I don't think they're that bad, eh?
You know, when they're on the roll, they
Are you saying they're bad?
no. I'm saying they're difficult to choose.
Oh,
Don't you
wasn't
think so,
difficult, so
Christina?
I paid oh.
I think the way Ian bought it though, just like that, he obviously had an eye for.
Yeah, that particular one.
Yeah,
Oh, is it? Does
Yeah.
it look okay?
yeah, it looks very nice.
Ah,
Yeah, once you. No, no, thanks, Rashida. I think once you've got seated up nicely,
Oh, once I've set it up nicely, it'll be
Yeah.
okay.
you just do short ones, obviously.
Yeah. I've got those hooks.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a matter of
how
getting
before-
them. Go before the door gate closes. Oh, here we go. This is the road up here.
But I'm very impressed, I must say.
Oh, there's cars coming. Whoa, watch out. Okay. Oh, you better take the camera.
So, Ian, tell us
Yeah.
about your vision when you bought at Chanclay and how it came about. That you would have moved away from Constantia Grove
No.
to buy a property in this area. What made you buy here?
No, I was actually driving to the market. It was a Saturday. And I saw the auction signs.
Oh.
So I was following them and then they disappeared. Because somebody had been pulling them out. And then, so we were driving down the road. We were driving down, I don't know what that road is. So I was just busy driving, following the signs. It's auction today. So I'm just busy driving. It was the right time. So I'm busy driving, following the signs. They disappeared and then I found them again and everything. And eventually it led us here.
Oh,
And they had Boerewors rolls outside and Cokes and everything.
yes,
And that's when I met Anthony, spoke a
Yes.
little bit.
yes.
I decided, okay, oh well, it's just registered. There's nothing in it. You know what I
Okay.
mean? Let me just take a risk.
Okay. And do you think there's a possibility that those rolls, the Boerewors rolls and the Coke was spiked at all? That you made an impulse buy? What do you think between us?
Maybe it was when I was drinking the night before, but actually was I drinking the night before?
No.
I'm not sure. I don't remember.
No, no, no.
But it's bought, it's done, it's paid for.
Look, Christina and I commend you on the purchase. I believe you definitely bought it at a bargain.
Oh,
Yeah.
I guess so.
And we wish you all the best.
Oh, well, I'll get it right.
Yeah.
I just want to extend the balcony there.
So what is happening? Is it going to be extended?
Oh, I went to this other clown. Told him to give me. He came out, he measured out. Said, email me the quotes. I can get it approved by the body corporate. And I waited, and I'm still waiting. And that was before lockdown, so there's no excuse, eh? No excuse.
Oh.
Now things are taut. And now I'm just gonna be, you know what I mean? Whatever quote he gives me, I don't think he'll ever give a quote. I don't think it'll ever come. So business must be booming for him.
Oh, so Ian, I'm inferring from that, or could one infer from that you approach somebody who's unreliable?
Correct. But I phoned the guy, he came, he measured, and he's just down the road. Don't want to mention names, but yeah, maybe somebody else go there and get better service. I don't know. Thing is, and I did WhatsApp him. Said, please, dude, I need the plans. So
Yes.
I forward it so I can get it approved. Because the board's right behind me, the body corporate, they said, all we need is your plans. What you're going to do there, and we'll go right ahead and do
Yes.
it. And I was thinking, that's awesome, that's great. So I look like the idiot, though I've done my side.
Yes, yes.
So the only way to do this right is to go to someone else.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I'm going to be full of nonsense.
Oh,
Because the business Ian will come out. We might be having a fun time busy driving down the road, but yeah, I'll just put my foot down. Say hi, how you? Give me a quote. Where's my quote?
Ian,
I've known this guy long enough.
I've noticed that it's a term of endearment for you. The term put my foot down. What does that actually mean? Does it hint at you being a controlling person? What do you think?
Controlling person.
Yes, a
Putting my
controlling
foot down,
personality.
taking action.
Oh,
And
You
taking
mean business then?
Yeah. Yeah. Putting my foot down and doing it. And if you don't like it, well then, well, what do I do? What
so
do I
you
say?
see yourself as a businessman who
I don't know, hopefully, eh?
puts his foot down. Now tell me, how do you divide your business man acumen from your personal life? How
don't
do you
know,
get
do
that
I?
divide?
I don't know. You can film where we're going. There's a KFC here. Oh, you put it down. No, that's not good. We're supposed to be looking good for YouTube. This is upload number 2. Eh?
Yes.
Oh gosh. Yeah, now I'm tired. Eh?
Tired, eh?
Yeah, it's been a busy day.
Mm.
Yeah. From yesterday, I was in a storage locker.
Mm-hmm.
They're busy hunting at the back.
Yes.
Anywhere, somewhere in South Africa.
Okay.
Somewhere in South Africa, a storage locker.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's what I was doing yesterday. And today I was auctioning off stuff,
Mm-hmm.
learning about it.
Okay. So what value can you impart to us now? What words of wisdom can we take out of your hunting in storage unit